Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Here's a cool Windows tip to clear up space. All you have to do is come over here, press Windows R, type in prefetch, and hit OK. Now click continue. And what this will do, it will show you files or folders in your PC that are taking up space. So you can select all of them by pressing Ctrl A and hitting the delete key. Now anything that is important will refuse to be deleted, so you just hit skip until the process is done. And now you can see these are the only important files I have in my PC. Here's a cool PC trick. I'll come over here and search disk cleanup. So click on that to open, and it will start loading and going through your PC. Now it will show you what files or folders have a lot of files, have taken a lot of space in your PC, and you can go and select them and delete. Here's a new cool Windows trick. All you have to do is press Windows plus R, and then over here type in WS reset, then click OK. Now what this will do is that it will clear up your cache in your PC, and now it will run much faster. And now once it's done, it will redirect you to the Windows Store, because all it did was clear the cache in the Windows Store. Here's a PC tip that will help you. Just press Ctrl Shift Windows plus V, and what this will do is that it will reset your graphic drivers. Now only do this when your PC is running slow.